You done? Ah! Gets all over my pant legs. You're gonna hurt me. What? You tired yet? You tired yet? I can run around all day. Ah!
I told you to stop teasing her.
Whoop! Ah! Gotcha.
She's gonna fly up on your pants.
George, help me. Help me.
What are you doing, Coogie? Oh, she's coming to get you. Oh, where'd he go?
Hi. You still going? Hi.
Hi, Coog.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Coog. Get him, Coogie.
Hi, Coog. George, you need to help me. What's up with that, George?
You can't stop. You have to stop doing that, Bob, because she bites me.
I know.
Yeah, you know.
Okay. Well, put her in her cage for 5 minutes. Let her calm down.